Good morning. I am 4 minutes earlier today, so as always, if you're watching and recording, you can just fast forward or stay with us. Look at this beautiful clouds. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Good morning, Judy. Good morning, Jana. Look at those beautiful clouds, guys. So pretty. All right, it is time for us to begin. And today we will explore some of the practical ways we can bring more generosity into our life. So take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle in, to notice all the circumstances of your practice today, internal and external. With each cycle of breath, dissolving the boundary between the internal and external. reminding yourself of the interconnectedness, oneness of everything there is. Let your breath be soft and easy, completely uncontrolled. Simply notice how it flows in and out. Notice how your body moves as you inhale and exhale. Scan your body from top to bottom, and with each exhale, lean a little bit more into the support of the ground that's always there. Soften a bit. Release whatever tension can be released right now. If we take a really good look around, we'll see that we really swim in a sea of generosity. Many daily acts of consideration, reciprocity, benevolence, compassion, kindness, helpfulness, warmth, appreciation, respect, patience, contribution. But often we don't even realize it because of our brain's negativity bias that we've talked about many times. Moments of not giving, our own resentments and selfishness and the withholding, unkindness of others pop out much more easily for us. Plus, of course, modern economies can make it seem like giving and receiving is largely about money. But really, money is just one of the ways we can engage in generosity. There are so many others. When you express your giving nature, it feels good for you, benefits others, prompts them to be good to you in turn, and adds one more lovely thread to the great tapestry of human generosity. So, how can we express this giving nature of ours into the world more freely, more effortlessly? Of course, the first order of business here would be to take care of yourself, to keep refueling your battery, because it is so much easier to give when your own cup is full, or at least you're not running on empty. So prime the pump of generosity in your life. Be aware of things that you are grateful for or glad about. Bring to mind a sense of already being full so that you won't feel deprived or emptied out if you give a little more. And notice that giving is very natural for you. You don't need to be a saint to be a generous person. Generosity comes in so many forms, including heart, time, self-control, service, food, and of course money. From this perspective, consider how much you already give each day without even calling it generosity, and open to feeling good about yourself as a giver. Another way to practice generosity in daily life is to give your full attention when in conversation. Really stay present with the other person, honoring their topic, their agenda. You may not even like what they're saying, but you could still offer a receptive ear. And then, when it's your turn to speak, the other person will likely feel better about you taking the microphone. You can also practice generosity by offering non-reactivity. Much of the time, our interactions, relationships, and life in general would do much better if we did not add our comments, advice, or emotional reactions to situations. Sometimes not doing is the best gift that we can give. And finally, do your own practice. One of the best contributions to others is to raise your own level of well-being and functioning. So whatever your practice is or is growing to be, do it with a whole heart as a daily offering to whatever it is you hold sacred, to your family and friends, and to the widening world. So with that in mind, let's do a short practice of loving kindness. Resettle in your comfortable position. Find your primary anchor, be it your breath or any other sensation in your body. Something that you can easily come back to every time you notice that you get distracted. And take a moment to dedicate your practice to whatever it is you hold sacred. Maybe it's one person or a group of people who need a little bit more love, a little bit more care right now. And now start repeating the verse of loving kindness towards yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I be happy, healthy, and at ease. May I find deep, natural peace. Now start offering loving kindness to somebody you hold dear, a friend, a family member, your pet. May he or she be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they be happy, healthy, and at ease. May they know deep, natural peace. Now bring to mind a neutral person, somebody you don't have any emotional connection with. May he or she be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they be happy, healthy, and at ease. May they know deep, natural peace. Now bring to mind somebody you have a challenging relationship with and start sending loving kindness energy to them. May he or she be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they be happy, healthy, and at ease. May they know deep, natural peace. And now we'll send the energy of loving kindness to all sentient beings. May all beings be filled with loving kindness. May all beings be well in body and mind. May all beings be happy, healthy, and at ease. May all beings find deep, natural peace. And before we break today, I want to make another important point. When you realize how generous you are with the world, not only with money, but with your time, attention, your giving heart, you also start seeing all the ways that the world is generous with you. So be open to receive this generosity that's all around you. Don't let your negativity bias take the front seat. I would like to complete the practice with a poem by Dana Folds called Infinite Generosity. In the face of infinite generosity, my prayers seem weightless, like the foam thrown skyward by breakers at the shoreline. But even my least articulate prayers are answered when I am present to receive. Something shifts. A burden lifts in the act of asking. By its very nature, infinite generosity isn't limited by the paucity or audacity of my requests. It pays attention to the tenor of the heart and knows the real need beneath the words. My trust in infinite generosity has never left me anything but blessed and richer for the trusting. As you go through your day today, I invite you to notice your giving nature, reminding yourself that you are already practicing generosity in so many ways. And also, be open to receive this infinite generosity that's all around you. Trust and become richer for this trusting. Thank you so much for being here. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.